Well, I'm gonna have a chicken sandwich, not a cap one. So that's the plan. So let's start getting the chicken out, and we'll cut it up and make him move. Alright, see what we're dealing with here. Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, if I can, I'll try and just kind of keep these in the foil, you know. But look at that. That's just fucking good, eh? If I eat that, it'd be just like fucking crazy. Just kill myself. But anyway, yeah, she's definitely done. Nice and juicy. Nice skin if you like skin. Nice just chicken breast if you just don't want the skin. Whatever, you know. I love the skin. I quite like it. So I'll just have a bit of all of it. Like I have no like frozen chips or anything to go with it, and I have no fucking soft drink either, but you know what, I just don't care. This is good enough for me. This whole big fucking chicken, once I have that on a few slices of bread, about fucking 4, I think I'll be pretty fucking happy. So alright, so I've got the butter out, so I'm just going to do that. Favourite sauce, and then see how it goes. Nice couple of bits of chicken. Get some of that skin on there. One with that one. That's a real good one. That's a banger. Just enough. The second one. It's definitely going to be enough for me. And that one, I'm going to have the this stuff, mate, the old favourite. Well, not. You got to be in the mood for it, don't you? Like they're both kind of spicy, but this is a bit more concentrate. Yeah, this is something my mum and dad used to always do this when they would get like chooks from takeaways or the supermarket. They'd always just smash it with salt. They're not even cheap anymore, are they? Really? So. Yeah, and this would be like a night in when maybe they had put through much money through the poker machines that week. Not saying anything like that, but hint, hint, whatever, yeah. Anyway, the barbecue one. Whenever I eat like crispy skin chicken, I always think of the cable guy in that movie, Jim Carrey, when he went to that fucking medieval fucking show with his friend and just put chicken skin all over his face like an idiot. Yep, barbecue is awesome. Now for the hot one. Yeah, I reckon if you just know your sriracha and you know how much you can handle, it's just so good for a treat. Like once a week or something like that, or whenever you want it, but it's good. Right, that's a good day. Definitely about a 9.7, that's for sure. Alright, catch you on the next one. See you soon.